Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best t-shirt printing machines that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking to invest in a heat press for your DIY projects or small business, this is the video for you. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started. Coming in at number 5, we have the AS&T heat press machine, a portable and budget-friendly option that's perfect for beginners or hobbyists. Priced at just $78.99, this machine stands out with its compact design, making it easy to store and transport. Its 12-inch by 10-inch heating plate is ideal for smaller projects like t-shirts, canvas bags, and banners, while still offering versatility with compatibility for various HTV vinyl types. Including glitter and holographic materials, the build quality is decent for the price, featuring a polyamide construction with anti-overheating safeguards. This makes it safe for extended use, and the lightweight design ensures you can easily handle it during operation. While it heats evenly and quickly, thanks to its double-tube construction, the pressure regulation springs might not provide the most precise application compared to larger machines. Overall, this is an excellent entry-level option for non-commercial use. The package includes several vinyl sheets and a canvas bag, which is a nice touch for beginners. However, it's not ideal for heavy-duty or large-scale projects. If you're just starting out and want a simple, reliable machine without breaking the bank, the AS&T heat press machine is a great pick. At number 4, we have the RoyalPress 15x15 heat press machine. Priced at $179.99, this industrial quality machine is designed for users who want a step up from entry-level models. Its large 15x15 heating plate provides ample space for larger projects, making it suitable for t-shirts, sweatshirts, and other larger items. The inclusion of a color LED display ensures easy temperature and time adjustments, adding a layer of convenience during operation. The design is robust and durable, with a heavy-duty metal construction that feels built to last. Performance-wise, the machine heats up fairly quickly and maintains consistent temperatures throughout the transfer process. However, it lacks some advanced features like auto-release or adjustable pressure, which are found on higher-end models. That being said, it's reliable for standard sublimation and heat transfer work. This machine is great for mid-tier hobbyists or small business owners who need a dependable heat press without spending a fortune. Its straightforward design and solid build make it a practical choice for consistent use. On the downside, it's heavier and less portable compared to smaller models. But for its price, the RoyalPress offers great value for those looking for a larger, durable machine. At the number 3 spot, we have the Vivore 8-in-1 heat press machine, priced at $189.99. This machine is all about versatility, offering multiple attachments for pressing not just t-shirts, but also hats, mugs, plates, and more. Its 15-inch by 15-inch swing-away design is a standout feature, allowing for easy and safe operation, especially when handling larger projects. With 360 degrees rotation, you won't have to worry about burning yourself during use. The Vivore is built with durability in mind, featuring a solid frame and ergonomic design. The digital temperature and timer controls are straightforward and user-friendly, ensuring precision in your projects. Performance-wise, it's a reliable machine that heats evenly and handles a wide variety of materials and sizes. However, the machine's complexity might be a bit overwhelming for beginners, as it requires some setup to switch between attachments. Ideal for small businesses or advanced hobbyists, the Vivore 8-in-1 heat press machine is a great investment for those who need versatility and reliability. It's perfect for creating custom merchandise or expanding your creative endeavors. That said, the swing-away design makes it bulkier than clamshell models, and it's not the most portable option. But if you're looking for a machine that can do it all, this one is hard to beat. Taking the number 2 spot is the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine, priced at $236. This machine is designed with convenience in mind, featuring an auto-release function that automatically lifts the heating plate once the timer runs out. The 15x15 heating plate provides plenty of room for larger projects, and the smart temperature control ensures consistent and even heating across the entire surface. When it comes to build quality, the HTVRONT is impressive. The metal construction feels durable, and the machine is compact enough to fit into smaller workspaces despite its larger heating plate. The performance is top-notch, especially for sublimation and vinyl heat transfer projects. The auto-release feature is a game-changer for users who want a hands-free operation, reducing the chances of accidental burns or overpressing. This machine is ideal for users who value convenience and efficiency. It's perfect for small business owners or advanced hobbyists who need a reliable, smart heat press. On the downside, it doesn't have adjustable pressure settings, which might be limiting for some specialized projects. Still, the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press offers great value for the price and is packed with features that make your workflow smoother. Claiming the #1 spot is the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2, priced at $349.99. This premium machine is packed with advanced features that make it the best choice for professionals and serious hobbyists. The 15-inch by 15-inch heating plate ensures compatibility with larger projects, while the adjustable pressure and higher heating height allow for precise control, accommodating a wide variety of materials and thicknesses. The design is sleek and modern, with a robust build quality that feels premium in every aspect. What sets this machine apart is its rapid and even heating, which drastically cuts down on processing time while maintaining flawless results. The auto-release mechanism is even more refined in this version, making operation seamless and safe. Whether you're working with HTV, sublimation, or other heat transfer materials, this machine delivers professional-grade results every time. If you're serious about your heat press projects or running a small business, the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2 is worth every penny. It's the most versatile and high-performing machine on this list, but it does come with a higher price tag. For those who demand the best and want to invest in a machine that will last for years, this is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.